Hello everyone, welcome to AMS Academy. I am Shaurya Gupta. I am here with today's current affairs. So before we move forward, subscribe our YouTube channel AMS Academy and press the bell icon for daily current affairs. Now let's start with today's current affairs. First is Center has launched a web-based solution for healthcare supply chain portal called Arogyapath. It will provide real-time availability of critical healthcare supplies for manufacturers, suppliers, and customers. Next is Ministry of Health and Welfare has included loss of smell and loss of taste as the new symptoms of coronavirus. Union Minister for Health and Welfare is Harshvardhan. Next is Defense Research Development Organization DRDO has developed a sanitizing chamber named Germiclan to sanitize the uniform of security forces. This chamber is designed to sanitize 25 pair of uniform within 15 minutes. And if we talk about DRDO, it is founded in 1958 and headquartered in New Delhi. The chairman of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy and Defense Minister is Mr. Rajnath Singh. Next is Union Minister Jitendra Singh launched the high quality face mask developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. This mask was developed using HEPA filter and is expected to be the cost effective also. And if we talk about Bhabha Atomic Research Center, founder is Homi J. Bhabha and founded in 1954, headquartered in Mumbai and chairman is Dr. Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Next is Saurashtra Narmada Avtaran Irrigation Scheme to fill Saurashtra 115 dams with Narmada water will be completed by 2021. This project aimed to fill irrigation dams which includes canal network to provide waters to the irrigation. And next is India's foreign exchange reserves surged to cross 0.5 trillion. Next is the UP government has set up a nodal agency called Invest UP headed by UP CM to streamline the state investment approval and other related procedure. This is the first time that UP established a separate ministry for the investment. And if we talk about UP, capital is Lucknow, CM is Yogi Adityanath, Governor is Anandiben Patel, and recently TrueNet machines were installed in all the districts for early results of corona patients. Next is Odisha became the first state in the country to receive ISO certification for hostels meant for tribal students. And comprehensive assessment of all hostels were conducted with the objective of improving the standard and quality of the hostels. Next is Raj Parv, Odisha's 3-day unique festival celebrating the onset of monsoon and the earth's womanhood begins. And if we talk about Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar, CM is Naveen Patnaik, Governor is Ganeshi Lal, and recently Savitri Rathod appointed as the judge of Odisha High Court. Next is Andhra Pradesh government signed a concession agreement with GMR Airports Limited for construction of a greenfield international airport at Bhogpuram in Vizianagaram district. And if we talk about Andhra Pradesh, capital is Amravati, CM is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan, and recently a new scheme is launched which is called Jagannath Chedodu. This scheme provides 10,000 rupees to each beneficiary every year, which include tailors, washermen, and barbers. RBI set up a 5-member panel to review the guidelines related to ownership, governance, and corporate structures of private sector banks. RBI Central Board Director PK Mohanty will head the committee. And if we talk about RBI, established in 1935, headquartered in Mumbai, and governor is Shaktikant Das. Next is the government of Myanmar has decided to scrutinize the Muse Mandalay project connected Mandalay with the capital city of Yunnan province in China. It is the economic corridor of the Belt and Road Initiative building. Rail and road transport from Yunnan province in China through Muse and Mandalay to Kyaukphyu in Rakhine State. Next is United Nations Conference on Trade and Development has said that the value of international trade in goods declined around 5% in the first quarter of 2020. It is expected to decline further 27% in the ongoing quarters. Next is United Kingdom's economy shrank by record 20.4% in April amid strict lockdown to combat COVID-19. Next and last is obituaries. Former first-class cricketer Vasant Raiji, who turned 100 in January, passed away. So this is all for today. If you like it, please give me your feedback in comment section and do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AMS Academy. Thank you everyone.